to 1 Hour with Nature. And today we're going to be repotting this gorgeous Aglonema. So let's get into it. We're going to be using a propagation method called division, where we divide one plant into many different pots. First, let's prep the table. Now that we're here, I'm going to repot this Aglonema, and let's get started. Okay. First, I'm going to kind of massage the pot. Oh wait, there's an inner pot. The inner pot kind of stuck to the cover pot. Okay, so this is the plant. I'm gonna see if the stems are attached. Okay, they're not. So I'm gonna try to kind of wiggle it free. The roots are not too tangled, so I can get it out easily. Oh god, those are some thick roots. Oh look, these stems are conjoined. If you want, you can cut this and repot it, like I'm going to do. Each have some nice roots, as you can see. So I'm just going to cut at the stem, like where it's conjoined. So here we go. As you can see, they both have good roots. So I'm going to pot these up. I'm back and I've separated all of them, and this one has the most roots. Look at that. So much. So I'm gonna put this back into the big pot, and the rest are going into the tiny 4-inch pots. Okay, so I'm almost done with all of them. I just have this tiny one and the big mama. So I'm gonna repot him. I thought you'd like to see me do at least one instead of it all later. So we're back, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different little babies. This one's leaning a little to the side. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!